What it do? Out here messing with this gold thing today. That's how the sun's starting to come out. Trying to get it in early. This one ain't in the building. Might have to put the old tent up. But yeah. Messing with the old gold thing today. Got the new carburetor on there. Running the fresh fuel line. Had to find a few little fittings and stuff. Kind of had me on hold, but you know me, can't let it stop me. Got the inline filter ready. Took that EFI off. And man, I dropped the tank. And it really surprised me, man. Look how clean that tank is on the inside, man. That tank is clean, very clean. Like it's brand new. I was surprised. I'm gonna still dump that gas out of there. It's been sitting, so we don't want to run this. It don't smell old, but I know 9 times out of 10 it's probably some regular. And it's been sitting for a while, so we don't want to run that through that new fuel pump and carburetor. So we're gonna drain this out, go back with some super. The fuel pump and sending unit actually look very good. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take this fuel pump off because it's too much pressure for the carburetor. We're gonna extend this line down. I'm gonna get a piece of metal line, put a new hose right here, and extend a piece of metal line down so I can pull the gas through here. And I got him a inline 4 to 6 PSI carburetor fuel pump to go on here. We're gonna change out these lines because they got a little dry rot to them. We don't want nothing to lose pressure. A lot of people don't know if you don't change these hoses and they get cracks in them, you'll have fuel pressure problems. It won't leak, but these hoses will suck in enough air to make you lose fuel pressure. So I always change these hoses back here. Very cheap. But yep, drain that gas out. I'm waiting on the inline fuel pump to come in. It should be in today or tomorrow. Go back up with the tank. Get back up here. I got a few more little vacuum lines to plug off and run, and yeah, other than that, man, everything actually look good under this hood. And he'll be back out. I think he say he gonna go back in the paint. Probably the same color. So he gonna redo everything. Come on out. Another project in the making. Well, it's been out, but you know he finna redo it, so it's another project in the making. Yes, sir. But yeah, y'all, I'm out here in this heat. I'm finna go in here and hydrate a little bit. I done got a lot accomplished just since about 6 this morning. It's probably about 8:30, 9 o'clock. I already got the tank down and about to get it drained, and you know, had to have my square and coffee. But yep, got a couple of more projects out here I'm gonna show y'all later on. I'll holler at y'all later.